Let's use the Zebra Guardian portfolio to find a missing device. With Device Guardian Access Management, you can see the real-time device status of available and in-use devices and identify the missing device you want to find with an intuitive overview. Pick up another available device from the Guardian cabinet and open Device Guardian to initiate recovery mode. Now let's see how you can effortlessly locate any misplaced or missing devices with the Geiger-style counter of Device Guardian. With a simple press of a button, a sound is triggered from the hidden device that guides you to the location. Success! Check out the following link to learn more about Zebra Guardian.